Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create invitations in Canva quickly and easily, even if you're a beginner. First, open Canva and log in. On the home page, type invitation in the search bar. Choose an invitation template that matches your event, birthday, wedding, party, or business event. Click the template to open it. Now, customize the text. Click on the text boxes to edit the event name, date, time, location, and details. Next, change the colors, fonts, and design elements to match your theme using the top toolbar. To add images or icons, click Elements or Uploads, then drag them into your design. Once you're happy with your invitation, review the layout. Click Share, then Download, and choose your preferred file format or share it directly online. And that's it. That's how to make invitations using Canva, quick, easy, and professional.